In this video, we're going to discuss what are backlinks and why are they so important for SEO, search engine optimization. You don't want to miss out on this. Backlinks are just bridges to your website. These are links that point to your website, but these are available on external websites. If you don't have backlinks, then search engines may never find your page, your website. So make sure you create a community with other website owners, community with people over social media, etc. This will help you with backlinks. So there's difference between good backlinks versus bad backlinks, and I'm going to show you here why. The first factor that you need to consider of what constitutes a good backlink is that these are placed by the people who manage an independent website. They voluntarily decide to place those backlinks because they believe those links and that information in your website helps their own audience. And if this is done voluntarily and freely, then you can bet that the editor of this other website would position your backlink in a very central area of their website. Then you need to make sure that these websites that post your backlinks are relevant in a contextual way. Otherwise, the audience that reaches our website from that backlink may just land on our webpage, decide it's not relevant, and then exit immediately. Exiting immediately after landing on a webpage will actually hurt our ranking when it comes to the search engine results. Then there should be some description to the backlink. The customer, the viewer, they need to anticipate what is to be found if they follow on this backlink. This also is relevant to the aspect that I just commented on, the aspect that if somebody clicks on a backlink, goes to our webpage, but exits immediately, they would actually hurt our ranking rather than boost it. Then on the flip side, your links may be bad if the source is a low quality domain, if the domain that posts our backlink has very low trust, and if the domain is known for very low quality content, if there's lots of misspellings, bad grammar, if there's lots of duplications, and machine generated content, etc., this will actually hurt our optimization efforts. And if the website is part of a low quality network, then this would influence us negatively. A low quality network, this is just the IP of this website has been flagged. Let's say, for example, the website tried to scam people. We don't want to have our backlinks posted on such websites. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on the content and the videos I've planned to be released in the coming weeks and months. There will be lots of videos on how you can get a business started, how you can improve the performance of your website, how you can improve the conversion rate, how you can market your products and services in the most cost-effective way. Lots of important and valuable lessons, and if you're interested in that, you've come to the right place. If I have missed a topic that you want me to cover, please comment down below and I'll be very happy to create a video on that. We can catch up in the next video. Until then, peace out.